Hi everybody, hope you're doing okay today. We're going to keep it short and we're going to practice a little bit of a blending activity that we've worked on in school using our hands to clap together the sounds of a word. This time we're going to do it a little differently than we did back in school, but I think you'll like it, so stick with me. We're going to practice by saying the word in two parts still, but we're going to start with the beginning of a word and finish with just the very last sound in a word. So in this case, we might say a word like lift by saying lift, lift, and we'll clap it together to say lift. But I'm not going to say the whole word until the very end. So it's going to be your job to figure out what word am I saying. So let's try it with this word. Listen closely, and we're going to try to figure out what word these two parts make together. The first word we'll try is han. And so when I go like this, I want you to repeat after me and say han. And then the last sound in this word will be d. D. So when I go like this, I want you to say d. So we'll say han, d. And what word would that be if we put them together? Han, d. Clap it together and say hand. Hand, hand. Okay, we're going to try that with a few more words. Let's try this one. Lamb. P. What word is that? Lamp. What about, this is the way something could feel. Soft. What word was that? Soft. Let's try, this is something that you might play with, you find it somewhere outside. This word is sand. What word is that? We'll try it again. Sand. Put it together. Sand. That word is sand. What about this one? This one rhymes with sand, actually. Stan. What word was that? That word was stand. 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 You hear how we do that? We take the first part of the word, stand, which is actually four sounds. St, a, n, stand. And then the very last sound is d. Stand, stand. We put them together. We're blending them together. This is helping us practice so that when we get to reading more longer words, we can do a great job of picking those sounds that we hear and putting them back together, kind of like we do our arm strategy. Let's try just three more. Ooh, this is an animal. This animal is a skun. K. Skun. K. What animal could that be? Skun. K. Skunk. That's a skunk. What about, ooh, this is a good one. Okay. Mel. Put those together. Something that can happen with some kinds of food, like ice cream, cheese. That word is melt. Melt. All right, we'll just do one more today. Okay, this is a word that can be used in a couple different ways. It rhymes with some of the words we've done. Ban. D. Think about that. Ban. D. What is that when you put them together? Band. D. Band. Band. You can talk about band like a rubber band or a band that plays instruments and writes songs. Those both work for band. All right, so you can use that strategy for even bigger words, which we'll get into a little bit later. And we will be also using that same strategy when we're blending words that we see in print. So we've talked about that so far, mostly with 3-letter words, 4-letter words, sometimes 5 letters. But we can use those blending strategies for much bigger words, and that's going to be something that's going to come in handy as you get stronger and stronger with your reading. Okay, thank you for sticking with me for the video today. Families, please feel free to reach out with anything that you might need right now. You can contact me through Dojo or any other way that you have that we've communicated. I'd be more than happy to talk with you and help out in any way that I can. Take care and talk to you soon.